Good afternoon, this is Chris Harry with Guarantee RV. I just need a moment of your time, folks. I'd like to talk to you about the 2019 Thor 4Winds 26B. It's a great coach, sleep up to 7 people. Here, let me show you around the side. This coach has huge storage underneath. You can put all kinds of stuff in here. This is a wet storage, so you can put ice in here, put cold beverages. I want to come up and show you that this has the side cameras. So when you decide to switch lanes from either side, it's going to light up that side of the coach and let you see it's a safety feature. Come inside and let me show you the features inside. As we come in, you have your dinette booth. You also have your couch here. You have your overhead bed. You have a huge TV for the living area, and I want you to know throughout this coach there's tons of USB outlets. Nowadays with the phones and the tablets, there's tons of places to plug them in. We have some here. There's also some in the bedroom I'll show you. Now you can sleep 2 people up there really comfortable. This is a huge dinette booth that sleeps 2 people, and this is a jackknife couch that folds flat, and you can sit 2 people there also. You come in here, you have a huge kitchen, nice solid surface counters. Look at this sink. It's a very big sink. You have a 3-burner gas top with a nice oven. Now if you notice, a lot of these newer coaches are going away with gas ovens and they're going to convection microwave. This gives you the oven, the 3-burner top, and the microwave. Nice good sized fridge. Tons of storage throughout this coach, folks. Nice closet. Now what I really like about this is I like the bedroom here. You've got a nice queen size bed, and again you've got outlets. If you've got a CPAP, you've got phones, you've got tablets, USBs, outlets on both sides of the bed, and you have walk around. People say, what about the pantry right here? You take use of all the space. You've got a nice pantry here for putting all your stuff, all your spices, canned goods, everything. Another thing, come on back and look at the bathroom here. One of the things I like to do in the bathroom is make sure that I have leg room in here. And I've got tons of leg room. Huge size bathroom. I'm about 6'1", 240 pounds, and I fit in here. Guys, this is the 2019 Thor 4Winds 26B. My name's Chris Harry. I'm with Guarantee. If you've had a problem getting financed or you just can't find the right coach, come down here and let me help you out. We've got over 1,000 rigs right now. That's more than anybody in Oregon. So come see me. My phone number is 541-729-0982. Again, this is Chris Harry with Guarantee RV. Thanks for your time.